Oh, sweet fuck. Okay. Jump!
Ah, ah, ah. Oh, oh, oh.
The neighbours are gonna think this is really weird. Vagina. What the fuck is this? Is there a limit to how...
Such a good idea.
Ever.
Imagine being sat next to a train and someone was just playing this next to you.
Sat next to a train.
No, if you were on a train sat next to someone.
You said sat next
Well,
to
you
a train.
know what
Sat
I
next
mean.
to... Where'd it go? Ah! 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 You just got the tape on your nose.
Got my territory.
It's gonna have like Phil paw dust all over the tape now.
There's no dust on my paws.
Do boom boom. Everything is really good for him. Having lots of relaxing time with my new friend Mr. Thing. Hop! And then he's gonna hop again. And then he's gonna Jesus Christ float. Shut the fuck up.
Oh,
Keep floating. Whoop! Ah! But whoop! Everyone's like, screaming YouTubers annoy me.
Lee. Oh my god.
Banana!
Oh! Relax. I wanted to win so bad. Oh, I died. Dun 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 dun. No.
What's the game called?
Asuhati. No, Yasu. I don't remember what it's called. There's got to be a tuneful song. Like, what are you gonna do?
Here we go. So...
Oh no, are you serious?
Oh.
He's in love with the crossy road chicken.
To be fair, I ship that so
Me
hard.
too.
And then Google's just looking over
Just
them.
like, I watch everything.
Which they do.
Like real life.
I
You're just saying it.
told me the world. I'm so sorry to your ears.
Ah.
Rest in peace, headphone users.